So let's say you're watching Beetlejuice 2 and your phone lights up, makes little notification sounds. Nobody next to you is going to like that at all. You might want to enable theater mode. So in this video, I'll show you how to enable theater mode, what it does, explain that, and then how to turn it off. So theater mode essentially is almost like do not disturb, except you can still receive haptic notifications, which is like the little tap on your wrist on there. So you may want to still be notified when things are happening and be able to glance down and look at that. But when you lift your wrist up, it's not going to light up. It's not going to make any sounds in there. So it's a convenient thing to use. So to do that, you hold down on the bottom of your Apple Watch, you swipe up, and you'll see the little faces, the masks that are like the ancient international symbol for theater or comedy, etc. You press that down, it'll turn orange. So that means theater mode is on. You're safe. You're not going to bother people sitting next to you in the movie theater. And you can enjoy Winona Ryder, Michael Keaton, other awesome actors in Beetlejuice. When you're ready to turn it off, same thing. Just hold it down, swipe up, turn off theater mode. So you may be wondering, how is theater mode different than do not disturb mode? Do not disturb mode will turn off all the notifications actually, so you won't get anything in there. But if you still want to be informed but not bother people, you might want to try theater mode. I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope you get out to see Beetlejuice 2. I plan to see it tomorrow, or another movie if you've got some different tastes and interests. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.